Hi everyone, it's been more than 1 month since I shared my last video. I really miss you so much. I hope you're same too. And in these days I made a lot of videos and I will share them with you soon. This year will be my third season and I really can't believe how this time flew easily. I never dreamed something like that. I have 160,000 subscribers right now, and it's a really a big thing for me. I always say that if you're following my videos, you know how I feel, but I want to share it with you again. And I really like the place I reach very much, and I want to be with you forever. This year I keep share same things with you, like blankets or hats or bags or some squares I like to make, and I will share some new things too. For example, I haven't shared a lot of scarf or shawl videos with you. I will share more tutorials like that, or amigurumis, or pet things like a pet bed or pet toy. If you want something from me, if you want me to make something and share it, please leave me comments, or you can reach me on my Instagram address too. My Instagram, my Pinterest, and Facebook address are always same. It's all Sirin's Crochet, and it's also my website address too. In my website address, you can find some written pattern too. Please check out my website address. And my lovely friend Gigi Crochet with Gigi is her channel. She is writing these patterns for us, and thanks her. Please don't forget to subscribe to her channel too. I will put the link below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. And if you want to give me some financial support, you can join my channel, but you're not have to make it, of course. If you just want to support me financially, you can join. And last year you watch my videos so much and write a lot of beautiful comments. It gives me the courage to make more videos like that. Please keep supporting me with your lovely words. Feel free to share my videos. I will be more than happy if you share my videos, because meeting new people make me share more videos with you. I hope you want this too. And that's all. I'm so happy to be here with you. I hope we will have a beautiful, hardworking season. And big kisses from me. Hope to see you. Bye.